Right, these are our electric bikes. These are the things we use all the time when we go out. We park up at our motorhome site and then we take a ride to the local town. They do 40 kilometres, or you can ride for 40 kilometres on one charge, various speeds, but basically if you're feeling very lazy you can put it on turbo, which means that you hardly have to pedal at all. And in this weather we'll probably be doing a little bit of that later on. Fantastic.
Today we're going to take a short journey on our electric bikes into town so we can explore.
The magic of silence, feel everything. The sky above my head. My spirit flies placidly. I can be tired. The colors of my veins. A visual incest. The magic of silence, feel everything. The sky above my head. The like a
There's a one-way system here for bicycles. Kind of worked it out yet. And here comes Lynn at the end of the day after our day-long bike ride, fresh as a daisy.